Hmm. Chala, I'll begin. Mm, uh, hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel, and please patronize my channel and click on the bell icon. Anyway, now I'm cooking a very simple vegetarian dish. This is called in English the leaves, and in Marathi and vernacular language it is called shepu bhaji. Now this bhaji is a little difficult to digest, so you have to cook it thoroughly. Okay, now in two stages I'm going to cook. Okay, let's watch how I go about it. And as you usually know, I use coconut oil. I will use a little more, 3 teaspoons. Okay. After this is hot, put in a few cumin seeds, a few oregano. It is called ajwain. These are 1 pod garlic, 1 pod. I cut into fine. Okay. Remember, whenever you cook leafy vegetables, garlic is a must. Okay. Now put in 1 onion slice, small one. Just make it translucent till it loses its raw flavor. Some salt. Since it is leafy vegetable, better be careful how much salt. Now I put little more than usual because I am going to use another ingredient in that. Put in 1/4 spoon of turmeric, less than 1/4 of asafoetida, hing. Okay, the onions are lost its raw smell. Put in. Now this is only the first stage of cooking it. Stir it well. Put in water and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I mean 8 to 10 minutes. Lot of time. I mean it's a little for digestion. It's a bit difficult. That's why we have to cook it thoroughly. Okay. Other leafy vegetables we don't cook so much, but that's why I put a little extra water and cover it. शोधू लागला रे No, this thali is okay. In fact, this I had removed. ती शिजवून जरा वेळ लागता रे 10 मिनिटं राहून जा. हॅव सम पेशन्स. जाल्यार क्लियर द किचन कटा धुवून काडटा 10 मिनिटां जातात. आयदनां धुवून काडटा समजलें शिजता मागीर इतले मस्त जाता सांगू. ताचे मागीर हे घालून ताका आनी शिजोवंक जाय ताचे लड्डू करूंक जाय आनी मागीर तळूंक जाय. जाल्यार राव रे जरा. Now put finely chopped green chilies. Okay. Put sufficient to cover all this and make a lump. Okay, done. Leave it to cool. Now I have to make, this is the second stage, okay? Because I have to fry, I have to make balls. Reasonable marble size, a big marble size, okay? I'll make it, will take time to make. Make time. I can start frying also, no problem, but the frying takes very fast, it becomes. It has to cool, huh? Chepu bhaji. Children should eat vegetable. Only of one bunch. So these many you will get. Is very important because it helps in digestion of this vegetable. As I told you, this vegetable takes, difficult to digest. That's what my mother used to say, okay? My mother-in-law and many of my friends also. Stage. Step 4. Keep this to now frying. This is make it attractive for children. Yeah, what you're telling me. सगळे घाण करू नजो. Okay. I've emptied it in that. Now let that oil get hot. So for which I will increase the flame. Okay. Once that gets hot, I will reduce the flame. Make it a medium low. Hot. Yes. I am putting in the balls. And now don't crowd this because you need to turn the balls. The other side. This is very delicate, so you have to be very careful. Roll it in the with a spoon. These balls can be eaten as snacks, or it can be put in curry, that we say, no, curry made of curds, buttermilk, anything. Usually with curds or buttermilk or curry you make, you dip this. सांडगे रावता नाही, सांडग्या भशेन कड्यान घालूया. Coconut curry करू नजो. Just make the dahi curry or this. See. And children would like to eat it. Yeah. And it is very safe because I fried it in coconut oil. See, it has become kadak. It has become crispy. Don't allow it to burn. It has already been cooked. It is just to bind it and have it crispy, lovely to taste like bhaji. Okay, put the next set. Now don't increase the flame, let it fry slowly. Be very careful, okay, while cooking because oil is there. These are big children, photographers. Last time I showed, to prepare the shepu bhaji with dal. Okay. Dal means you can use your taste. Okay. It should not be hot and burn my tongue. So very happy with this because, when kids were small, I used to make for them. It will enjoy. The garlic will go inside, vegetable will go inside, onions and all the herbs that I put. Very nice. Salt is appropriate. I told you not to put more salt. Must never put more salt because this is leafy veg. Okay? Andaz. You put reasonable salt because I put gram flour. No, it requires little. Awesome. My dear viewers, please subscribe to my channel, follow my cooking channel, follow every step. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Eat healthy, live healthy, happy living. Look up, no?
Don't talk.